Okay, for number one, you're given three functions. You're given L, U, and F. Just looking at it, F is between U and L on the interval that we're represented over here. And there's two places I want you to look. One is at 2 and one is at 3. Let's look at 3 first. So at 3, maybe I shouldn't say at 3, but let's put down x equals 3. Just give me one moment. We'll do x equals 3 first. And what do I notice about this? And certainly it doesn't have to be true at 3, so I'm going to say on an open interval containing 3. Containing 3, all right? What does that mean? Something like this over here. So what I'm going to claim is it's not necessarily at 3, but containing 3. So it's not needed at 3. Not needed at x equals 3. What do I notice? I notice that L of x, and again, this does not need to be true at f of x, is less than or equal to f of x, is less than or equal to u of x. All right, that's certainly on some open interval containing the number 3, that's true. And it doesn't have to be true at 3. I notice there's a hole there, so I'm not even concerned about that. What else do I notice? I notice that the limit as x approaches 3 of L of x is the limit as x approaches 3 of u of x. And there's a limit over there. It looks about 1.5 to me. So what I know about this over here, I know the limit of that thing is being squeezed properly there. Now let's look at 2. And certainly at 2, I'll write this down over for you. So at x equals 2, really kind of almost the same story. I'm sorry, I put 3 down, I meant 2. At x equals 2, I'm going to say in some open interval, containing 2. I put this over here. This is 2. Let me get my eraser out and erase something over here. I'll put my open interval this over here, and so somewhere some open interval containing the number 2. So 2's in that open interval over there. But it's not needed at 2. Not needed at 2. What do I know about this? I know that u of x is greater than or equal to f of x is greater than or equal to L of x. Unfortunately, what happens, though, is the limit, I'll write this over here, limit as x approaches 2 of L of x does not appear to be the same limit as the upper curve, which is u of x. So this is not a proper squeeze. Although there's a bounding of it, there's not a proper squeeze over there. Because at 2, it's just too much of a band over here. Again, we're trying to get something that comes right in at the point. Thank you.